Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. If you are returning, then you have seen my videos on these bags. So I was going to put bows on the bags, and I decided to use the mesh and match the mesh with the papers and items in the bags. I think this will make for more colorful gift sets on my tables during these festivals that I will be attending. My festival that coming up will be in November. That is the first festival that I have. So I do have some time to get these made. As you can see, I matched the green with the green, the red with the red. And this is one of the men's bags that I did. This bag is has the cologne from City Trends in it, as well as a lava bracelet. And then I changed this bow to one of the pink bows. And there's our green one. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Use your mesh. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.